All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about text editors for Python. So you'll notice here in the table of contents, and this is in coordination with Python. So this is wiki.python.org, and then you can check out Python editors. So you'll see here they have multi-platform editors, Unix-only editors, Windows-only editors, Macintosh-only editors, online editors, glorified editors, enhanced Python shells, mobile device editors, other resources, and never-ending debate, okay, which is really funny. So the multi-platform editors, most of them support Unix, Windows, Mac OS, and not OX, but OS. Okay, so you have A8, which is just Linux and FreeBSD, okay, Alpha TK, Atom, CodeBlocks, Bluefish, Cream, CSSED, Code Editor, Eric, Crisp, Draken, DreamPy, DryPython, Dr. Python, Eclipse, EditPad Pro, Editora, Emacs Editor, Ellipson, EXCO, FTE Text Editor, Genie, Gedit, Ideas, JHeapWork, JEdit, JPy, JUP, KDevelop, Komodo IDE, Komodo Edit, GE Crit, Leo Editor, Nano, MedIt, NEDIT or NEdit, NetBeans, Ninja IDE, EULA Pad, PowerPad, PyCharm, PyDev, PyPE, Python for Visual Studio Code, which is what we're going to be using. Okay. Python Toolkit, PTK, and then PyZo. Okay. SPE, Spider, Slick Edit, Sublime Text, which is another great editor. Thani, Vim, Wing IDE, and WXCon Text. Now, Unix-only editors, Beaver. Okay, Windows-only editors, Notepad++ and PyScripter. And Mac-only editors. There's a bunch of them. Okay, you have Coda, Chocolate without an E, BB Edit, Alpha TCL, Edit XT, Phrase, MacPython IDE, My Sub, Etha Edit, Text Editor, Text Wrangler, Xcode, TextMate, Smultron, SRC IDE, and then TICNTA. Okay? Now, online editors, which I'm not against, but when we're learning this basic information, we don't want to overload you. So I strongly suggest to stay away from online editors until you know what you're doing. Okay? Once you are comfortable writing the code, then by all means jump on an online editor and have fun. Okay? But until then, just stay within the realm of what I'm helping you understand first. So we have Cloud9, DataJoy, Python Anywhere, Pylon, Sage Math Cloud, Wakari, and then glorified editors. IDEs that don't integrate anything Python specific go here. So these are enhanced Python shells. Okay. So PyCrust, PySlices, IPython, JY Pywin32, KHPython, PPEQ, BPython. Okay. And then mobile device editors. Python 2.7, Python 3.2, and these are for mobile devices and tablets. Okay, so those are text editors for Python. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.